All right, welcome back to Jesse's Vintage Garage, and we're back here working on the next segment here, the speedometer drive. We just got done finishing it, and we're ready to put this on the bike now. So we're getting ready to mount the speedometer drive into the wheel. There's a step to the axle. We talked about that in the rear wheel video, and yeah. Anyways. Okay. There we are. We got it all tight, and yeah, it's ready to go.
Brakes are dragging because you'd have to release it.
Yeah, and usually it's released when it's all set up. So, yeah, it's ready to go on the bike. Let's go. We're gonna put the adjusters on and stuff, and then we'll put the other axle nuts on it. We'll get it on the bike here. All right, we got the wheel sitting in here, and when we got the axle all tight, we had it just right because it just fits. We know it's not too loose or anything. So next up, we'll end up putting the brake stay in. That way it holds and stabilizes this rear wheel. All right, so I got the brake stay in place. It's holding this plate right where it needs to be at. We have the adjuster sitting here, and it looks like we have everything lined up right because the drive is in the right spot too. Right? So we want that to be pretty much parallel with the road. That way it doesn't have an upward bind or a lower. Yeah, more like that probably. All right, we got it all pretty much where we can get to right now. We got to have the chain and the engine in and stuff to finish it up. The brake stay, it has to have the hose for the chain oiler here has to look like this. The hose comes in, hooks into here, and then it drips right down into the train. You have it backwards, it doesn't feed right. So this is the way it goes. Getting ready to put the front wheel on here. I got the hubcap on. And yeah, it's got to go into that mount right there.
Okay.
There we are.
Put your
All right, put the caps on real quick.
Yep.
Here we are. We got the front wheel mounted, and we got equal gap front and rear here on this. Oh wait, no, it's tightened evenly. Same with the other side. Next up, we'll be putting this side stand on, and come to an end here on this part of the rebuild. Yeah, so we got the spring hooked up and everything, and the bolt comes in from the bottom here.
Just a minute here. Gonna have to hold the bike.
Yep, got
okay,
it.
got it.
There we are. And the hex nut here. It's
Loctite.
Yeah, we put Loctite on it, right? And it's got a locking edge on it.
Still Loctite.
It's got it's a special nut. It's got like little cutaways in it. So, but anyways, this kickstand is not the correct kickstand for the 68. This has an adjuster in it. This is a newer one. I'm not sure what year this came out, but it wasn't like this in 68 for sure.
But 68 was the first year of this. 67 had a flat little piece of steel with a little hook on it.
Oh, okay.
And they were more straight up and down.
We had the bolt in, but we want to make sure we grease it. We just want to make sure it'll fit, and it does. And we got it all greased now. You only get this one shot at this because there's no Zerk on this thing. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Then we'll put red Loctite on the nut and tighten her up.
It's got to wear in a little. The paint's messing with us. There it goes.
Yeah.
And,
All right.
It's tight.
So the whole purpose of this adjustment is we can bring this kickstand out far enough so it doesn't bang into the
exhaust.
Yeah, the exhaust. Yeah. and we'll adjust that final adjustment there when we get the exhaust put on. It's ways out though. Yeah, because it's still loose yet. Anyway, we got this thing on wheels and we're ready to go on to the next step. Well, there we are. It's sitting on its own. So, it's pretty cool. So, I guess this kind of comes to an end here. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.